problem more like in the community.
Yeah, no, it's not a problem between like you and your
My
husband
children.
or yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No, this
Okay.
is school related or community related,
Community life
something
related.
like that. And let me also say, everyone, it doesn't have to be. It can be fictional. So if you want to write an email to President Trump about how the U.S. government's handling the COVID, responding to COVID, you can do that too. I still want you to follow the formula for writing a good formal email. But if you don't want to talk about your personal problem with me, with your landlord or something, you can create a problem that doesn't truly exist. Okay. So anyway, again, you and your small groups will create many different problems to talk about. Then you are going to choose one problem, and from that one problem, create many different possible solutions and results. Okay, because you have to offer more than just one possible solution. Okay, so lack of public transportation, you can see here that I have 4 possible solutions, and where I put equals, that's where I have my result. Okay, so this problem, here's one solution, and here are some results, and the results might not always be positive. Like if there's a lack of public transportation, I'm saying the city of Madison needs to buy more buses, provide more buses. Well, the results will be higher costs for the city. Okay, that's not always a positive thing, but I can use an adverb of concession and say, although there will be higher costs, there will also be less pollution. Okay, and so in my email, I'm going to go through my different solutions and results, positive or negative results, because that's just being realistic about your situation. So in your small groups, you have a problem, and I want you to help each other brainstorm both the solutions and the results. Again, in your groups, you do not have to choose the same problem. You're just helping each other brainstorm. But if you want to choose the same problem and your group wants to write about the same problem, same solutions, same results, that is also okay. Okay? All right. So in your email, in your small groups, I want you to also talk about rules for writing formal emails. So both from the book and from the presentation I'm going to ask you to watch. And so one rule is you need to have a clear subject line. That's one of the rules for formal emails. And this is, you don't have to write this out. I just want you to realize, hey, this is something that we have to do. Okay, so for example, when I look at page 209, is everyone seeing my page 209? I can see that in this example, I have single spaces between the lines, but a double space between the paragraphs. It is not double spaced. My paragraphs are not indented because of the space between paragraphs. So that would be another rule. We call that block formatting. Okay, and so that would be another rule that you can use to apply when you are writing your formal email. We'll talk about this presentation in a moment, and there is some new vocabulary because we're doing this online today. I don't have this handout for you to talk about vocabulary from the online slideshow I'm going to ask you to watch. Okay, let me stop there and ask, are there